Hello viewers, welcome to the FX Academy. In today's video, I am going to teach you how to identify break of structure and a change of character. Now, when there is a break of structure, you see, for instance, in the bullish market, if the market is trending or going an uptrend this way, that you have higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, and higher high. If the market is going this way, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, you discover that there is a swing high here, there is also a swing high here, and also likewise there is a swing low and there is a swing low. Now, from our previous video, please take time and watch it. I discuss in detail the higher high and higher low there. Go, please take your time and watch it. This YouTube channel, go to the list and the playlist. You will be able to get the video there. I discuss extensively introduction to market structure. So this one is a step ahead of it, that we want to recognize when there is a break of structure and where there is a change of character. In this bullish trend, this is a bullish trend, in this uptrend, we discover that the buyer pushed the market to this point, the sellers were able to pull it down to this point, and the buyer took it up again to this point, and the seller still bring it down to this point, and the buyer push it up again. So now there is this battle between the buyer and the sellers in the market. And so at this peak where it reaches, now it goes down to this point, this swing low, or we'll call it a higher low. This higher low is unable to take out this, thereby the seller push it up again. Pushing it up to this point now, you discover that this is another peak, higher high. This is another higher high. This is the previous higher high. So it's a bullish trend. Now, in this previous higher high, as they were not taken out, they continue to move up trend. We discover that there is a break of structure at this point. There is a break of structure. We'll call this one BOS at this point. Again, the seller were able to push it down, but it was unable to take out this. So there is another break of structure here. So this is a break of structure in this part of description. So there is a break of structure, BOS. It will continue this way and like that. Here's another break of structure again. Here's a break of structure. Now, if this structure continues like that, then the bullish trend will continue to trend up, up, and up. All right. Now, let us try to explain the break of structure involving a bearish market. Now, we have a lower low here, a higher low, lower low again, this way. It continues this way. Now, since here is a swing low, a swing high, since this lower low took out the previous lower low, the market is bullish, bearish. The market is bearish, and thereby there is a break of structure here. BOS, there is a break of structure here. Also, in this point, there is a break of structure here too. There is another break of structure here. So the market continue to go bearish. Here's break of structure. Here's another break of structure. You see, the way this is how it goes. Don't worry, I will take you down to the normal chart, the real chart, and then we identify all this break of structure. All right. So now, in this part, if we proceed again, we will discover that the break of now, when we want to identify change of character, we discover that if the market is bearish this way, and then reaching this point was able to go up. You see, now there is a break of structure here to the downside, break of structure to the downside, but coming to here now, we discover that starting from here, this bullish, the buyer were able to take it up, and then this structure has been broken here. at this peak. This structure has been broken at this peak. Now, if the seller push it down to this point and is unable to take this lower this limit, and it stops somewhere and then retraces back, we discover that the trend have changed. The trend have changed from bearish and is going bullish this way. This goes up and come down and then goes up again. We discover that at this peak, at this point, there is a change of character. At that point, there is this point, we'll call it as what? Change of character. Choch. Is that okay? Change of character. From the bearish trend to the bullish trend. I take it again. Maybe we may not understand. For instance, if the market is bearish, coming down, and then there is a rise, sellers push it up and it went above this level. It takes, that is the previous higher low. It took out the previous higher low and then come down and is unable to take the previous lower low, and then the buyer push it up again from this point. It means, and it comes down and it's unable to take out this and take out this point again, and then it push it up again. It means the trend has changed. At this point, we call it what? Change of character. Some people will call it what? Market structure shift. You either call it change of character or market structure shift. Now, we'll go to the major trend and then I will make sure we identify it on the major trend. Okay, now here is a live chart. We are considering GBP USD. You can see right from here now, you discover that the market is bearish. You see lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, continuously. You can see that the market is bearish, coming down. This is a bearish trend, or let's say a downtrend. You see, so when we continue this way, we discover that now the sellers were able to push the market to this point, but the buyers took it up to this level. Now, when the buyer took it up to this level, the seller pushed it down to this level. We discover that this level is unable to take it down to this point. You see that the strength of the sellers becomes weak at that point. You see, so from there now we discover that the bullish took it, the sellers pushed it down, but it couldn't take this lower low. Since you couldn't take this lower low, it means now the trend is about to change. We can see that as from this level up now, from this level up, the buyer were able to take it up to this level. You discover that taking it up to this level, you see, buyer push it up here, seller push it down, buyer push it up. They have break a structure here. This is a change of character. See, that's a change of character. It's a change of character. At this point, we call it what? The character has been changed, or market structure has been shifted from being bearish to bullish. You see, from being bearish to bullish. So from here now, there is, we call here, since the structure has been broken here and this higher high has been taken up, it means at this point we will say this is what? A change of character. Structure broken there. The height, this particular height was taken. So we call it a what? A change of. So when you notice that there's a change of character in this state, then you should be ready to enter the market at this point. Because when you enter the market at this point, you'll be more profitable. Now, when you note that there is a change of character, it means the trend is about to change. Here is the particular change of character, but the seller pushed it down, but they couldn't take it down to this lower low at this point. So the buyer pushed it up again and it broke. There's a break of structure here. You see, there's a break of structure here, and then if you push it forward to low again, you discover that at here, as there is a break of structure here, this is a change of character. this point is a change of character. There is a break of structure here. This week also is the final test of break of structure. There's another break of structure here, and then there's another break of structure here at this height. Discover that now it is going bullish. It's going bullish now because the higher high continue to progress. Then the higher low continues this way. So the trend has changed. So if you want to really enter the market, this is the point at which you consider to enter the market. You enter the market at this proper point. This is another topic I am going to take in the next. Please, I want you to watch out for the next video. I will teach you how or explain how to enter the market and be profitable. I don't want this video to be too long, so at this point I hope you understand break of structure and change of character. This is for a bullish trend. We'll look out for another example for a bearish trend. Okay, here is another example for a bearish trend. You discover that from here the market was bullish. Here market is bullish going. You can see that when this come, you see there is higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high continuously. There is higher high, higher low. You consider here also there is what? Higher high, higher low, higher high. Then reaching this particular peak, you discover that there is also higher high, higher low, higher high. You can see that this point is coming down. That there is a wick that come to this level. You see, that is change of character is about to take place at that point. You can see that there is a change of character at this point. When this higher high went down, this higher low was able to come to take out this. Taking out this point is what we call change of character. Now, the trend has been changed from bullish to bearish now. So if you want to enter the market, this is the appropriate point to enter the market, because when you sell now, it's from bullish to sell. Now when you sell at this point now, discover that the market will begin to sell at this point. You can see, can you see the market sell sold at this point. So if you enter here, you'll be profitable. So it will be our next topic. You see here, that is for the bearish trend. That is an example for the bearish trend. You see that the character has been changed at this point, at this level. There's a change of character at this level. There's a change of character at this level. This is where the character change. But in the next video, I'm going to take you how to enter the trade. You analyze it from the higher time frame, then you take your trade at the lower time frame. Thank you for watching. Please, at this point, I would like you to subscribe to this YouTube channel so that we'll grow it together as a community, and then so that you turn on the notification bell, like it, so that when I post the next video, you'll be notified immediately. Thank you for watching.